Before I start the video, sorry, I'm watching Power Rangers, 1 second. Before I start my cute little daily vlog, I got this hilt and I like colored it from Imperial Workshop. I honestly was like about it at first, but like I'll say it's definitely grown on me. I think the hilt has like grown on me for sure. Like now I feel more comfortable just using it. It feels better in my left hand than it feels than it feels in my right. But yeah, enjoying just fucking around for the day. Viva los Viva los lightsaber. Yeah. Ooh. Okay.